Ever crack your knuckles and have someone immediately say, "That's gonna give you arthritis"? Well, guess what? That's a total myth. The pop sound you hear isn't your bones grinding together. It's actually tiny gas bubbles forming and collapsing in your joint fluid. It's basically your fingers burping. Scientists have actually studied lifelong knuckle crackers. One doctor even cracked only one hand for 60 years to prove the point. And guess what? No arthritis. No damage. Just some weird looks from people who hate the sound. In fact, cracking your knuckles might even help relieve stiffness for a little while. But if you do it too aggressively, you can irritate your joints, not from arthritis, just from overdoing it. So next time someone tells you to stop cracking, hit them with this science fact.